I am at EMO Hannover at CemeCon stall. Tada! This is the innovation passport we are promoting all about. CemeCon is known for its innovative surface coating solutions, and right now they are exhibiting HiPIMS, which is groundbreaking technology in surface coating. So I'm going to hear from Christoph, what is this innovation all about?
HiPIMS coating technology. The big thing in HiPIMS is this unique mix out of flexibility of the technology and high-end quality. High-end quality because of a droplet-free nature of the coating. Cutting tools today, high-quality cutting tools, need to be smooth for micromachining, for small grooving inserts, and for this is a smooth droplet-free surface the most important thing. HiPIMS is always delivering this. This also adds to the flexibility. Whether you are thinking about a micro milling cutter, a tap tool where low friction is everything, or a very fine grooving insert, you can do all the same in the same machine. The other very important thing, HiPIMS, high impulse sputtering, you add energy to the process, you densify the material. By this densification, you lower intrinsic stresses in the material, which means you can do coatings thicker. Very beneficial for milling insert. Milling is interrupted cutting, and for such a process, longer lifetime is always related to higher coating thickness. So premium coating quality and enormous flexibility. Small micro cutters, tap tools, grooving inserts, 12 micron, the thickest PVD coating worldwide, all in the same machine. This gives you a very high versatility, and well, versatility and flexibility, that's in the moment the most important thing, because well, we are living in a very unsecure world. HiPIMS is giving you the guarantee that you invest in something which is future-proof and that you have the right machine to satisfy the needs of your customers also in the upcoming years.
Here is the innovation, and here is the innovation passport I'm handing over to Christoph.